So as you can see, we've drained the prep fluid from the cooling system now. It's come out a brown colour, and that's because of the corrosion, probably surface corrosion that is found internally. When using 50-50 coolant, it's going to happen. There's no avoiding it. I mean, corrosion inhibitors can only do so much. It's a well looked after car, but it's not driven very often. So when you've got water sitting in your cooling system for months on end, this is going to happen. Okay, so now we've drained the prep fluid out, we've reconnected the top and bottom hose, and it's time to fill the system with EVANS high performance coolant. So one of the major benefits of having EVANS waterless engine coolant in your cooling system is the absence of vapor pressure. Now the absence of vapor pressure is achieved by having no water in the cooling system, so there's nothing in the system to evaporate. You should safely be able to remove the radiator cap at operating temperature without having water explode and spray out at you. Soft hoses, your top hose should be nice and spongy, never rock hard. During the installation, you need to get as much water out as possible. If there's still water in the cooling system, there's still going to be vapor present in the cooling system. If there's a little bit of water left over, that's okay. The second thing you want to do is not overfill your cooling system. Leave some headspace in the top tank of the radiator to allow the coolant to expand within the top tank of the radiator and not put pressure on the cap. So whether you've got a race car, a street car, anything with high horsepower or just a stock standard car, eliminating that vapor pressure can put your mind at ease that blowing a hose when you're out on the road is very, very unlikely when using EVANS coolants.